but maybe not much more.
I wonder. I wonder if the effect of this stock market volatility is obviously due to the tariffs. They push investors that would maybe more consider stocks a safe asset. Maybe this whole uncertainty and the volatility of the stock market may push investors to real estate. Because they're seeing, especially with where the real estate market is in certain spots, maybe this could prop up demand for investors, especially for like multifamily or even vacation homes to an extent. The people that maybe are doing okay with their stocks. What do you think about that? Like, do you think that this volatility could maybe exit some people from the stock market, get the investors maybe more interested in real estate? Maybe.
Yeah. So yeah, that's like a pretty decent thesis. Like there's a phenomenon called flight to quality that happens. So people
Flight to quality.
Yeah, flight to quality or flight to safety. So people will rush into safer asset classes when stocks and equities are becoming risky, which they are. So usually they would go into bonds, but bonds are also risky right now.
Right.
And so, I mean, and I'm talking about like large like hedge funds and stuff like that. So I'm not really talking about the marginal investor, but like, the regular investor would probably do the same thing. I mean, we've noticed an uptick in people interested in real estate as the stock market starts to get scary, right? Because they're going back to like, let's think about what makes sense again. So that I think that's a big piece of the puzzle right now is are we going to start to see people saying, screw this, I'm getting off this roller coaster for a bit, I'm going to go back to real estate because prices are down and it seems to be, and if mortgage rates start to improve as a result of the whole thing, it could be a good setup.
Yes, but I know there's a lot of pressure. What's his name? Jerome Powell. He's is he Artif Macklin, whatever, essentially?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So there's a lot of pressure on him to drop rates, and I even see Trump like tweeting about him or messaging, putting direct messages out there, basically.
Yeah.
And I think there's a lot of like the difference that a lot of people, maybe if you're in Canadian real estate looking into American real estate, it's like I think most people aren't aware of the fact that the reason they're seeing such, well, not the reason, one of the reasons they're seeing such low amount of transactions because no one's moving, because no one can afford to move.